Okay, that's two of our messages. Sabi ni Mariela, hi, I'm Mariela Manzano from Infanta. Saya-saya ko talaga pag ikaw ang DJ kasi ang kulit-kulit mo. Mind you, kung mag-anak ni Luis to, ha? At kahit kung mag-anak siya ni Luis, ako ang pinununod niya. I'm just kidding. Pakibati naman ang mga taga-I and HS. Sana magkaroon ng himala at ma-meet ka namin ng personal. Naku, oo nga. Saan ba ang I and HS? You know what, Mariela? Mag-text ka ulit. Sabihin mo sa amin kung saan ang address niyo at magmamount kami ng concert. Magmamount kami ng concert on December 25 mismo. Nasaan man kayo. Okay, guys? I'm just kidding. Okay. Sabi ni Amy or Amy, hi, VJ Nikki. How are you going to celebrate Christmas? You know what? This Christmas will actually be different for me. So, by different, instead of giving love this Christmas, awahin ko lahat ng tao. Initong sila lahat ng ulo. So, that's how I'm gonna celebrate Christmas. No, I'm just kidding. No, as usual, we're gonna have dinner with the family, which I can't wait to do because if there's one thing that I really miss this Christmas, is my family. So, I'm pretty sad because all of my baby cousins are grown up. My one nephew, naglalakad na siya. So, parang I feel like this year, sobrang bilis ng tinakbo niya. So, I missed out on all the special moments that I can't really bring back anymore. Diba? Nakakasad. Kaya kayong mga busy-busyan dyan, huwag niyo masyadong dadamdamin kasi marami kayong mga moments na hindi niyo na masyadong nananamnam dahil sa inyong kabisihan. But definitely looking forward to the Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas sa lahat ng Nillies all over the world. If you're a Nilly and you weren't at our Christmas party, you just missed a super fun party. Billy and I had a kind of like a Nilly Nixter Billy Christmas party. Sobrang saya. Kaming host, kami nagpa-raffle, kami yung nag-perform. Kuli naman kami nag-serve ng food. Sobrang saya. So, if you guys missed it, that's too bad. Next year na lang. Love you guys. Amy, thank you very much, Amy. At sa ating lahat ng mga nag-text, maligayang Pasko sa inyo lahat. And if you guys want to get in touch with me, all you have to do is type in Mixtape VJ Nikki, say your message in your name, and send that to 2366. In the meantime, here's Go Away, my song for my Singaw by 21 at Empress Reed.